Good morning students, welcome to Narayana virtual classes. So today we are going to discuss about assignment 22 in electromagnetism. So in this the first question is, if the current flows through a straight line in downwards direction, how is the direction of field lines are? We know that we can find the direction of field lines around a straight wire by using Ampere's right hand thumb rule. If I am holding the current carrying conductor in a downward direction, how I am curling my four fingers? I am getting my four fingers in the direction of clockwise. See, this is how the direction is. So for this we can write clockwise direction. Then coming to second question, which rule is useful to determine the direction of field lines around a bar magnet? Around a bar magnet, we know that how the magnetic field lines around a bar magnet will be like this. They are originating from the north and terminate at south outside the bar magnet. Even inside the bar magnet, these field lines are there. They are closed loops. To find this direction, again obviously we use Ampere's right hand thumb rule. Then coming to third one, what is this? Third question, list out the materials required for experiment to find out the direction of magnetic field due to a circular coil. Actually we are having experiment regarding this, how we can find the direction of magnetic field due to circular coil. What are the materials required? We need a source to supply the power, that is I can say I require a battery, coil, and to find the direction of magnetic field lines around that I need a magnetic compass needle. Then coming to fourth question, why does the compass needle point in the direction of field? So this is, if you observe here, the compass needle how it gets showing the direction. The magnetic field around a solenoid will be in this direction, as it is showing this north is attracted by the magnetic field of south of the wire, so that this north is always attracted towards the south of coil. Then coming to fifth one, what is fifth question? So here is, how do you prove that magnetic field lines are closed lines? With the help of a magnetic compass needle, if you are conducting an experiment such that with the help of magnetic compass needle, it is like this, then magnetic field lines are closed loops. Actually these are imaginary loops inside the bar magnet, as these are there. We can conduct this experiment by taking magnetic compass needle, placing above and below the bar magnet. Even you can get the directions. So it is how showing the red color of the magnet is north. As well, in case of magnetic compass also you will get the same, how it shows the reflection. You can draw, actually you are getting the points. If you are placing here, you will get a point. Again by keeping that point as center, you have to place a magnetic compass needle at that point. Like that you repeat this process above and below the bar magnet, then you will get magnetic field lines around the bar magnet as closed loops. And the direction is outside the bar magnet, north to south. Obviously inside this is opposite to that, south to north. So this is what about assignment 22. Thank you students.